Bumper to bumper to bumper to bumper to get your full-size stock heat underway. And away we go. 419X coming for a big hit. Oh, 16 on the 312. Uh-oh. Jesse's got it. He had himself hung up there. 419 digging himself a hole on the outside. Kenny Taylor digging himself to the frame on the bottom. We've got action all over the track. Here's the 11-year. We got you all stopped now. We got an axle on the track. We here at Edge Motorsports take the driver, spectator, and our crew safety of the utmost importance. As soon as a metal piece like a bumper, a tire, or an axle come off the vehicle into the ring, we hit the horn, put the red flag out, and get that piece of metal out of the ring as quickly as possible. We'll get our flag crew back in place. Once the flag crew's back in place, flags up all the way around. Give me a count from 3. Let's go! We got the deuces right buried on the frame to the axle. Then we've got the 312 on the far side, also buried to the axle. We got the 312 and the 37 under the count. And we got the deuces. Hey, John, why don't you go get hit? Black flag falling on the deuces. Black flag falling on the deuces. We've got 312 counted out. Black flag falling on 312. We've got the black flag falling on the 37 and the 419X. Black flag is already fallen on the deuces. Oh, big hit from the 22. 10-10 jump up to the frame on the far end. Oh, big hit from the 22 on the 43. We've got the count on. Coming from the 624 on the 22. 22's been black flag, right front tire buried right down in the dirt. We've got the 10-10 still under the count. The 22 still under the count. Black flag falling on the 10-10. Let's hear it for these last two drivers! Both sponsored by Menards Towing. These two drivers are going to try to put a show on for you. The 624's nose is going sky high. Spread them apart, go again. .624 making the last competitive hit, and there goes the rad cap. 624 is sitting and waiting to see if the number 22 can come and make contact. I see coolant or water. I'm pretty sure it's water dropping from the bottom of both of these cars. That's your heat. Let's hear it for them.